It's the first in the Wendys queue, and look at this. He's even got a Wendys top. So there you go, Nathan. Do you want to say a couple of words? See that, guys, keeping a close eye on what's going on. And look at that, even a little doggy goes for a ride on these. And I've never seen that one before. Look at that, he's even got his own little bed. And welcome back to a brand new video. And what a day again today. The weather just gets better and better in Blackpool as the days go on. And it's one more day till the weekend. So we're going to have a bit of a walk around town, because the new Wendys has opened as well today. So we're going to have a look, see how busy that one is. And there's a lot of drilling in the background. They're doing a lot of work on the Metropole Hotel. So yeah, come and join me on this absolutely scorching day in Blackpool. So we're just near the North Pier. Going to start this one off, and as we walk along, what we'll do is we'll drop down to the lower decks and let's have a bit of a look at the beach. And like I said, what a day today. It's you can see the iconic tower straight ahead, and that's always a great one. Yeah, plenty of people out. Like I said, it's just near the North Pier. And you can see, you know, the little shops selling all the candy and everything. They're all heaving. So there it is. The Wendy is now officially opened in Blackpool, and the world famous US burger chain bar, like I said, is opened. And this is a franchise. So the Poppers fish and chip shop are running this, and it will actually be Wendy's 50th branch to open in the UK today. Like I said, there was giving free burgers away, I believe, earlier on, but yeah, you can see they've got the like a big thing outside making a great deal of it, and it looks actually quite busy as well inside. So you can also see they've got like a seating area outside, so you can dine outside. All the table and chairs, and it's separated by like a little fence. And like I said, you can also eat inside. I believe they do a takeaway as well, so I'd imagine that'll be appearing on Just Eat. So let me know what you think, or you know, are you going to be trying Wendy's when you come to Blackpool? So the world famous comedy carpet, what a place. And you can see plenty of people sat around just enjoying the sun, taking the views in. Looks like they've got some. Let's have a move the camera around to the left. Looks like there's some recording around here. Not too sure what's going on. Yeah, so they've got all the equipment. So they're recording something. You see that, like a sun thing, whatever that is, to protect the sun. So it's like they're doing a spot of recording for something. So you can see the sun is directly in front. It's right above us at the moment. So we're going to have a bit of a walk along. Probably have a walk along the beach on the way back when the sun's behind us. But what a day! What a day! So I just arrived at one of the parts, and this always gets really, really busy. And you can see it's great. You know, so many people are still coming to Blackpool. And you just, like I said, just see, you know, how busy this little section is. It's not even the summer holidays, only just turned April. And it just shows, you know, what a bit of sunshine does, how he brings people out. You see the donkeys on the beach, and you always get them seagulls lurking about. So yeah, like I said, we'll just have a bit of a walk to the end, and then we'll branch off. But yeah, like I said, you can just see how busy it is in Blackpool today. Wow. You see the even got the kites. There's that little breeze as well today. But I think you need that. And yeah, like I said, you know, it's only April, so just imagine, you know, so when June, July, August approaches, how busy this wonderful seaside town resort is going to be. So just a little up closer to the donkeys. Like I said, these been going for well over 100 years in Blackpool, and you can just see how well looked after they are. What an experience it is to have a bit of a go on them along the golden sands of Blackpool. So I think we'll leave this section of the beach. We might sort of pop over sort of near the north side later on. I just thought I'd just show you how busy it does get, like I said, even in April time. So just a bit of a shot of the terrace bar on the central pier, and you can see again, you know, how many people are just enjoying the wonderful sunshine and that vitamin D. So just stop near Happy Days, and you see there's work going on there. Looks like they're I'm not too sure if they're open. There was open a few days ago, but you can see there's work going on there. And he did mention, when I spoke to the guy, he said they're going to be doing a bit of work on it. So you can see work is commencing. And that little bubble tea. So she called Leah in there, and we had a bit of a drink and a chat. So yeah, if you've never tried bubble tea, there's just one. Like I said, right near Happy Days amusements, and it's certainly worth trying that one. So just a stone's throw away from the wonderful promenade, you can see now they're already starting on this section of the courts, and all this road, as I mentioned in a previous video, is all closed off, access only, and you can see now they're moving on this section. You see the water spray going. That'll be a welcoming thing, especially this weather. Look at that. So they're like I said, they're pressing on. It's only a matter of time before the start on the police station. Look at that, you can hear the sound ripping right through everything. Wow. So this is Nathan, and he runs a YouTube channel as well, and his dedication is really great, especially for the demolition work. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to hand you the mic so he can just say a quick hello. And he was the first in the Wendys queue, and look at this, he's even got a Wendys top. So there you go, Nathan, do you want to say a couple of words?
Yeah, I'll give you my YouTube, well, if you could hear anything because of the digger, yeah, my YouTube channel's Filnat 2011, FILNAT 2011.
So I'll pop his channel in the link, but yeah, one of the first ones at Wendys. Look at that, and you can even see the little symbol where it says Wendy. So a big congratulations to him, and he's a great YouTuber. So I'll pop his link in the description too. So yeah, like I said, he's a really nice chap. Nathan he's called, and you know, if you're into your demolition videos, he comes down, you know, no matter what the weather, wind, rain or shine, he's here bringing you the latest. And but yeah, you can see, like I said, they're really getting on with this one. So just a bit of a shot from a height, and you can't really get that close because you've got that sort of blue netting all around, I guess, for people's safety, you know, with the shards of brick and the wire, all sorts of what they're unearthing. But yeah, like I said, there's 3 machines now cracking on with this one. And like I said, you know, looks like they're going around the back of it now. And it's great, like I said, meeting people, you know. It's amazing who you bump into on your travels and have a bit of a chat with. Which is really great. Yeah, like I said, they're getting on. It's amazing. Like I said, when you don't really sort of come down on a day-to-day basis, you can certainly see the difference. You can just see all the different heads. I mean, it's probably a correct terminology what they use, but I mean, I'll just call them heads for the moment. You can just see the range in all sorts of shapes and sizes, and they must all have it for certain aspects of when they're demolishing and ripping out. Yeah, I'd imagine it's a bit of a trade. So you can even see like a rainbow. Can you see that rainbow? Just a bit of a close. I can definitely see a rainbow there. Can you see it with the water and the sun reflecting? I can see it anyway. I thought I was seeing things the other day when it was like really windy and the waves were coming over. A few people said they could see it as well. So I've just zoomed in a little bit, and I think you can see it on the screen now. You see that rainbow? It's amazing. So this time in 6 months, you'll be able to park in the huge car park, shall I say, what's going to be here. And yeah, it's going to be a massive car park. I'm only joking. Let's hope that new leisure centre or outdoor arena will be built here, and it will be great for Blackpool. So I think we'll leave the courts for another day. Like I said, just a bit of an update. And again, that lovely rainbow is unexpected. It's not like a normal rainbow though. But yeah, so we'll leave the courts and just head on along the promenade, so we don't want to miss this great sunshine today. So there he goes, look at this. So we'll just keep with this one shot. There you go, there's the one of the side of the walls. Just as he's got his teeth into it. There we go, look at that ripping away. So some power. Just imagine, you know, doing this by hand. You know, there'd be hundreds and hundreds of workers, and you know, they wouldn't have even got half of what they've done now. And it's amazing, you know, how they built the pyramids. That's a whole new can of worms. How they made the pyramids thousands of years ago without machinery. That is something else, you know. Oh, there he goes. He's going for the cage now. Look at that. There we go. He's gone for the cage. Rip that bit down. You just see everybody just watching this. Like I said, I suppose it's you know, sort of quite fascinating to a lot of people, you know, sort of demolition work. So yeah, we will leave the course there now. Like I said, we'll be revisiting this later on. look at that, even a little doggy goes for a ride on these. And I've never seen that one before. Look at that, he's even got his own little bed. So if you want a bit of a ride on these are certainly a great experience. So we're just near Sea Life and we're going to have a bit of a walk up. Heading on back to the car again. I think I've been around 2 hours. I think I'm slightly over. Let's hope I don't get a bit of a ticket. But yeah, what a great day, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. It turned into a bit of a demolition video. But yeah, it's always interesting to see what the latest is in Blackpool and what is going on. And again, you've got all these great little arcades in your Coral Island and your Golden Mile. All the great shops as well. So you're never short, you know, for your bucket and your spade, which is what Blackpool is all about. And let's hope the heritage trams do come back. That's what Blackpool misses, and that's what Blackpool is built on: the tower, the piers, your arcades, and the trams. And like I said, fingers crossed they do come back. So as we say goodbye to another day, the weekend is nearly upon us, and looks like somebody has taken a little ill, possibly just near the North Pier. But yeah, it's the end of another day, end of nearly another week, and I thought I'd just end the video near the North Pier. This is one of my, well, it is my favourite pier, and the pier is actually quite busy. Look at that. There's plenty of people just enjoying that bit of a stroll all the way to the bottom and taking those wonderful views in. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button to be notified of all the upcoming videos. Until next time, enjoy your evening, and it's a bye from me. Bye bye.